So welcome guys. In current video, I will continue with the next directive, which is ng show and ng hide. These are the siblings, or you can say that these are the brother of ng if directive, because the purpose of both the directive are same, which show and hides the element from UI as per the developer or development condition, which is set by object in the controller. Okay, so I'm continuing with the snippet which built in a previous lecture video. So I just add some number of line codes to implement the ng show and ng hide aspect. So I already made a controller and module and set the test data scope by default to false. Okay, and I am going to create separate two divs, one for ng show and another for ng hide. Okay, so I'm copying the div content in both the div tags and replacing the name of directives. Ng show and it is for ng hide. Okay, and just pass the directive name here. Ng show is equal to same object as data, and that div tag ng hide is equal to same object as data. Okay, so the purpose of ng show, that show of a div tag or whatever the tag which is used with the ng show, when the condition gets true. If false, then it hides the div content from UI, and ng hide working vice versa as ng show. When the object gets true, then ng hide gets true, means it hides the content from DOM. This content from DOM when test data becomes true, and when test data becomes false, then it shows the content in DOM. Like test data is equal to false means ng hide is equal to false, means that does not hide the element of that tag in UI, means that shows the element in a UI DOM. Okay, so I am running this script. Currently I have set this test data false, means this condition get false, this condition get false, means both the conditions cannot able to see their data in DOM, but this condition get false means ng hide false, like it can see the data in a DOM, means you can see that this is a div only visible when ng hide variable gets false. Okay, otherwise it cannot see. So I am running this, and you can see this is the div only visible when ng hide variable gets false. Okay, and suppose I am going to set this variable to true, then we can see both the div to visible in UI, and this div gets hide because this condition gets true. So I am refreshing the screen. You can see the two div content. This is div only visible when ng is true, ng show true, and ng hide content gets hide because the variable gets true. So suppose if you are comparing all these things, all these three directives to each other, so you can differentiate all these directive, like the purpose of this directive to show and hide the content as per the condition, but the major difference between ng if, ng show and ng hide is ng if removes the total element from DOM, right? Means once the ng if condition get false, then it removes the element from DOM. You can see, suppose I am currently setting the value to true, then you can see the ng if content in a DOM, right? And all the contents. But if you can set the ng if to false, then it removes the content from DOM directly. Means ng if removes all the content from DOM. Once I have refreshed the screen, then you can see that ng if removes the content directly from DOM. You cannot see the content even in the DOM. You only see the content of ng hide and another ng show because it sets the value to false. This is the major difference. Ng show and ng hide just display and sets the property as a display none to UI, but does not removes the element from DOM. It just show and hide element as per the CSS display none. But ngIf directly removes the data from DOM. This is the major difference between ngIf and ngShow. So got my point, guys? This is the very important thing and very important question. Always interviewer ask to the mm, ask to the employee or interviewer at the time of interview. So thanks for watching this video, guys. I will cover the next topics in next video. Be on my channel. Thank you very much and bye bye.